Hi guys, I was gifted this from the seller so I can show you all its cool features. It is made for a Blackstone grill. It is the rear grease cup for it, and let me take it out of the box and show it to you. It works great with my Blackstone. It's just as good as the original grease cup. So this is what it looks like. It's all made out of metal. And there you have it. So if you need one of these for your Blackstone, go ahead and get it. It's going to work fantastic for you. It's a perfect match for my Blackstone. Thanks.